The global journey of cigarette production from seed to smoke. A multi-billion-dollar industry weaves together agriculture, manufacturing, and commerce, delivering a product consumed by over 1.3 billion people worldwide. This narrative traces the life cycle of a cigarette, revealing a process steeped in tradition, innovation, and controversy. Cultivation. The journey begins in the sun-drenched fields of China, India, Brazil, and the United States, where tobacco plants thrive. Farmers nurture two primary varieties, the Nicotiana tabacum for its sweetness, and the Nicotiana rustica for robust potency. Over 6 months, seedlings mature into tall plants adorned with broad leaves. Harvesting methods vary. Some leaves are plucked individually, others cut whole. The curing process follows, where leaves are air-dried in barns, burley, flue-cured in heated chambers, Virginia's golden leaves, or fire-cured over smoldering wood, adding smoky depth. This stage is pivotal, transforming raw greens into aromatic, golden-brown tobacco. Processing. Cured leaves embark on a global voyage to processing facilities. Here, they are sorted by size, color, and texture, then aged in oak barrels for up to 3 years to mellow flavors. Master blenders combine Virginia's sweetness, burley's earthiness, and oriental spice, creating signature profiles. Additives like menthol, cocoa, and ammonia, enhancing flavor and nicotine absorption, are introduced. To optimize costs, manufacturers incorporate reconstituted tobacco, recycled stems and dust bound into sheets, and expanded tobacco, puffed with steam for volume. The blend is now ready for transformation. Manufacturing. In high-tech factories, shredded tobacco flows into machines that craft up to 20,000 cigarettes per minute. Automated rods form around the blend, wrapped in porous paper tipped with cellulose acetate filters, some laced with charcoal for smoother draws. Lasers perforate filters to dilute smoke. Quality control robots ensure each cigarette meets strict weight and draw standards. Finished cigarettes are bundled into packs, adorned with branding or grim health warnings, and boxed for global distribution. Historical context. The cigarette's rise began in 1881 with James Bonsack's mechanized roller, enabling mass production. By the 20th century, giants like Philip Morris and British American Tobacco dominated, fueled by iconic ads linking smoking to glamour and freedom. The 1964 U.S. Surgeon General's report exposed health risks, sparking decades of regulation. Warning labels, advertising bans, and public smoking restrictions, yet demand persisted, shifting to emerging markets. Conclusion. Cigarettes cast a long shadow. 8 million annual deaths from diseases like lung cancer, and environmental tolls from deforestation to toxic butt waste, 4.5 trillion discarded yearly. Farmers face health risks from nicotine absorption, while nations grapple with healthcare costs versus tobacco revenue. Regulations now target reduction, plain packaging, vaping alternatives, and smoking bans, yet the industry adapts, targeting youth in low-income regions. As health advocates push for a smoke-free future, the cigarette story remains a testament to complexity, a product born of earth and science, leaving ashes in its wake. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Don't forget to comment your favorite cigarettes brand in the comment section.